Today in this video, I'm going to tell you some tips and tricks so that will help you to improve your English very quickly and very smart. If you can follow these techniques, I guarantee you, you can follow. So definitely you will improve your English very quickly in short span of time. I also followed these techniques. So first of all, I'm going to the first step. If you want to improve your English, you can think about an English. You don't think about your first language. Let's suppose your first language is Hindi or Urdu or Pashto. You can think about this language. You will not improve your English, but try your best. You have to speak English every time, every day. If they are your family member, if they are not your family member, if you are outside of home, you can try to, whenever you can see anything, any thing you can recognize, you watch them. Then after you can think, okay, so this thing is in English, we can say this is bed, this is chair, this is table, this is cat, and this is car. So then after these words, try to you can use in a sentences, you can frame some sentences. So of course, these words will help you to improve, to brush up your English. So that's the first thing. So the other thing is that whenever you can learn some new words, these new words try to you can use your sentences. Let's suppose you can learn idioms or expression, any words. So try to you can use these words your sentences. If you don't use these words in sentences for a short time, these words will be remembered. After that, if someone asks you, so what is the meaning of that words and that sentence, you will be not consider, you will be not able to understand these words, what we can call it. So the main reason is that you are not using the word in a sentences. So first of all, you can try to, when you remember the words, then after you have to read them, you have to use them in a sentence. Then after you stand in front of the mirror, these words you can use in your own sentences. That will help you a lot. So each word you can make 5 sentences or 10 sentences, even more than 5 or 10 sentences. That will be more crucial, more important for you. Why? It can help you to improve your English from beginner to intermediate level, from intermediate to advanced level. So this is my humble request to everybody in the beginning stage. First of all, you should take a start from basic word, not from very. So I'm also improving my English from very basic level, not you will jump into advanced level, advanced structure. So that will not gonna help you. 5 sentences, 10 sentences. They're really important. Let's suppose you can say, I'm going to school. I go to school. Uh, I go to the market. I will go to the market. Well, I go to the market. Let's suppose these type of sentences you can make. So this sentence will is very important. Let's suppose you can listen some native speakers, even uh, they are advanced speaker, they are intermediate speaker, even they are better than you. You can watch them carefully. Then after that, uh, 20 second, 30 second, you can shadowing after them. That will help you to improve your English. The word will not forget. You can record yourself for 5 minutes, for 2 minutes, for 3 minutes. You can choose a topic for yourself where you can record yourself. Then after you can check your video where I did mistake, where I make mistake. In the next video, try your best. these mistakes remove from your self. So step by step, if you can practice, so definitely you will improve, you will enhance, boost up your English. Step by step, it will improve. It is not a short process; it's a long process. It can take time. So the passage of time, you will improve your grammar portion and your writing portion, you are reading and listening each and everything. It will improve in the passage of time. Don't use English, use simple English. Don't try to, you can use very hard words or sentences in the first stage. Try to, you can use basic words, simple words. You can understand them easily. Other people will understand your pronunciation, your accent, your words. That will help you and help your audience and viewer. That will be really impressed from you. You can use these words. Then after step by step, you can gonna to use some new words to passage of time. In the coming time, you will improve your practice yourself for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes. No need to partner. If you have partner, that's a good thing. That's a good uh, things for you. You can practice with your partner. If there is no partner, no need to practice with them. Before I told you, you can record yourself. You can recognize yourself where I make mistake, where I made mistake. The next step, you can remove this mistake, so it will help you a lot. If you are watch my video the first time, don't forget like, subscribe, and comment below. So inshallah, see you the next video. Thank you. Bada thanks.